spray, you can use butter, but this is really easy. That's why I have to do it by the sink. Any phyllo dough works. Taking the phyllo dough from the freezer. You don't need to defrost it. Now you're gonna start breaking them up.
Sebastian, getting the oven ready over there? Thank you. So that's the traditional method of making banitsa, is rolling out sheets of phyllo dough?
Yeah, you would make it more room temperature and then put like sheet by sheet. But
this quicker method is breaking up frozen phyllo dough.
yes.
Nice. Sebastian, I don't think your mama needs the baking powder over here.
Thank you, Sebastian.
Are you trying to be mama's sous chef? I thought you were part of the camera crew.
You see him back here?
Yeah, I got him.
Alright, so just about
Half a teaspoon of baking soda, okay.
Thank you. Mix it up. Alright, put that here. Cut the butter, have it ready to go. So you take about 1 stick of butter, cut it into tiny squares.
You need Sebastian to get you a cutting board? He's in the general area.
No, it's okay. I don't use a cutting board.
Really? Okay. How do you do
on
it?
the paper here.
Oh, I see.
You want it to be cold.
Really cold butter?
Otherwise it's very difficult to cut and you need to
That
later
makes sense.
sprinkle this into pieces, so you can't do it with hot butter.
So you are cutting it the long way. Bulgarian feta.
Just about 2 cups.
Crushed?
Crushed. You don't have 2 cups, it's fine. Last time I used 1 cup.
And it still tasted great. Cracking an egg on an egg.
You can use 4 or 5 eggs. I like using 5. So you're gonna take 1/3 of this and cover the bottom. Cover it like pretty evenly. Mommy, you don't want any of the mixture to flow through. I can't pick you up right now.
Sebastian, you want to come sit by me?
Do you want to eat banitsa or not? Alright, so that's about 1/3. Now you layer half of this. About 1/3 of the butter. Mine is in the nice squares because it wasn't cold enough.
How do you space it out?
Yeah, just try to distribute about 1/3 of the butter evenly, usually tiny squares, but got warm. Another 1/3.
This gives it a nice crunch, crispy texture. So you'd say it is one of the most classic Bulgarian breakfast dishes?
Yeah, classic breakfast snack.
You hear that, Sebastian?
The other half. Pretty good. You gonna leave some for the top.
So is this the third layer of phyllo
This is
dough
the
now?
third layer of phyllo dough, which is a crust. Then we're gonna put the rest of the butter. Put the rest of the butter on top, crust nice.
And this butter then will just melt over the top.
We'll make it crisp and brown.
All right, oven's at 400. In it goes for how long?
30 minutes.
Make sure to cover with a towel so it doesn't get dry. Nice and crunchy. Already sounds like it's gonna have a nice texture to it. It's beautiful. All right, we're gonna sample Mama's Banitsa. Oh. How was that, Sebastian? Wow! Who are you eating with today? You got the dragon and boom. Quite a party. Good? Yeah, Sebastian agrees. Alright, bon appetit, everyone.